Come on, don't even worry over random dummies code word. Creepy old dude enters Walmart on real drugs code word. Count our dollars endlessly with our Rugers drawn. Code word, we gon' do 3 words 1. Yardstick 2, toothpaste 3, typewriter. Let us begin. Yo ass ran down some trenches into childish karate yardstick. Yell at random dummies, so they're intimidated, constantly kidding yardstick. Yes, a real deep soldier teaches intelligent code knowledge yardstick. Now go back and check that out in real time. Play this back. Number 2. Talking on oxygen takes heavy pacing and starting to exhale toothpaste. Tantrums over only teaching how people are special tells everything toothpaste. There's obviously only time heaven prepared after seeing the earth toothpaste. And 3. Tell your people everything with real intricate themes, even rap typewriter. To yawn puts everybody within reason. It's to even recline typewriter. Take yesterday past every day with remembering it tomorrow even remote. Typewriter, I am code word.